Welcome back to the study pod. Today we will learn about reflection. When you throw a ball against a wall, it bounces off the wall. Similarly, light traveling in a straight line bounces back or reflects when it strikes the surface of another medium. The amount and direction of the reflected light depends on the nature of the surface it strikes. When a parallel light beam strikes a smooth surface, it will be reflected as a parallel beam. This is called regular reflection. Reflection from a smooth surface is called regular reflection. Mirrors and polished metals have smooth surfaces which produce regular reflections and sharp images. When parallel rays of light fall onto a rough surface, they are scattered or reflected in different directions. This type of reflection is called diffused or scattered reflection, and no images are formed. Most objects do not produce their own light. You can see many things because light from the sun or other light sources falling on it is reflected into eyes. Sun, bulb and candle are some sources of light. Can you name more light sources? Let us know in the comments below. Not all light that falls on an object is reflected. Some of the light will be absorbed while some may be transmitted. The brightness of an object depends on how much light falls on the object and how much light the object reflects. Can you tell which of these objects is bright and which is dull? Did you know some colors absorb more light than the others? Light colors absorb less light and reflect more, while dark colors absorbs more light and reflects less. When light strikes a smooth surface at a right angle, it will be reflected along the same path. This line is called normal. However, if the light strikes at an angle to the normal, it will be reflected at the same angle to the normal, but on the opposite side of the normal. Suppose this is a reflecting surface and this line is its normal. This is the ray of light, also known as the incident ray. Once it touches the surface, it will be reflected like this. The angle between the normal and incident ray is called the angle of incident, and the angle between the reflected ray and the normal is known as angle of reflection. This brings us to the end of the video. If you have any queries, you can write to us at thestudypod01@gmail.com.